Hello guys, are you confused about car insurance? Did you just select the same kind of coverage that your parents did? Because I don't know, it's confusing as heck in this video. I'm going to walk you through the exact steps of figure out how much car insurance you really need, and spoiler alert, you have the potential to save big money, so stick around. So let's talk about how much car insurance you really need. Step 1. You need to understand the three types of car insurance coverages available, that includes liability, comprehensive and collision. Okay, so liability insurance covers any bodily injury or property damage when you have an accident that is your fault. In other words, if you were to hit somebody, your insurance would cover the cost of the repairs to the car. Or if you caused any harm to the person, like physical injury. Liability insurance. This is the basic type of insurance that everybody needs. It's illegal to not have this type of insurance, so make sure you have it. So, bodily injury liability, think of this as medical cost property damage. Liability, think of this as the cost of the repairs to the car. Comprehensive insurance covers any kind of repairs to your car that did not result from a collision. Let's say your car got broken into a tree branch, fell on top of it. Your car caught on fire unexpectedly from a natural disaster, hailstorm came around. Any of those things would be covered by comprehensive insurance. And the last type of insurance, number 3, is the collision insurance. Collision insurance covers the cost of repairs for your vehicle if you are involved in an accident, and it does not matter whose fault it is, whether it is the person who hit you or you hit somebody else. Collision coverage will cover the cost of the repairs to your car, and your own liability insurance does not cover the cost of the repairs towards your car unless the other person is at fault, and then their liability insurance would cover the cost of your repairs. Let's say that other person did not have enough liability insurance to cover the cost of your repairs. This is where collision coverage would help you out. One important thing to note here is, if you have a car loan, you may be required to have full coverage, which means all three types of insurance on your car. So while you may not have the opportunity to pick and choose the different types that you want, you do have the option to shop around different insurance companies to get the best rate. Step 2. You need to determine how much car insurance you need. I will say this, it is a very good idea to maximize your liability coverage. Now, generally, most insurance companies will max out in three different areas. This would include personal injury, total injuries, per accident, and property damage. So, when you go into your car insurance coverage, you can log on to your account. You should see three different numbers. The max generally for personal injury is $250,000. The total injury per accident is $5 lakh, and the property damage maximum is $1 lakh. So you can get an idea. But I have maxed out bodily injury and property damage liability, those exact number 5,500 and 100. So it's a good idea for you to max this out if your numbers don't match mine, and to give you an idea of how this would impact your premium. I went ahead and went inside of my insurance coverage. and I did some changes hypothetically to see how it would impact my rate. So from the drop down menu, and I am on progressive right now, I could select from the 250, 500 and 100. And let's say that I just dropped it down, that half, that 100 per person, 300 per accident and 50 per accident, and see what that does for my car insurance premium. So you can say it actually reduces my premium from $215, and this is a paid out of every 6 months, to $197 for a 6 months premium. So my premium overall would drop $14.17 if I switched with my policy period. But if you look at the effect of the entire 6 months period, because I pay car insurance every 6 months, which we will talk about how that saves your money as well. That's the difference between 2.15 and 197, and it only changes my 6 months premium by $20. So let's get this straight. Cutting my liability in half only saves my $20 for 6 months. So it's only save my $3.33 per month. I don't know about you, but paying just $3 extra to literally double my liability, I think that's a pretty good idea. So maximizing your liability insurance is a key. Next, you are going to take a look at your comprehensive coverage. It's pretty inexpensive to add, so I would suggest including this as well. Here is a very important note about comprehensive and collision coverage. Raise your deductible. If you have $1,000 in euro ship fund that's set aside from emergencies, if you have at least $1,000 in saving, raise your deductible on your comprehensive and collision coverage. And just for kicks, I'm going to show you what happens when I reduce my deductible from $1,000 to $100. Okay, remember, comprehensive insurance covers any repairs to your car that did not result in a collision. So these are things like natural disasters, that's sort of things. So when I went into progressive and I changed my comprehensive deductible from $1,000 to $100, that was a difference between paying $23 to paying $76. It actually is a big difference because it costs me $53 more. The change raises my premium from $380 every 6 months to $433. So that's a difference of about $8.83 additional per month, or $106 per year. A great way to save even just $100 per year in my case is just raising me deductible. Now let's see how changing the collision deductible from $1,000 to $100 changes thing. Okay, so this is insane, but when I changed it from a $1,000 deductible for collision coverages, which was $105 for a 6 months premium rate, dropping it to $100 increased my premium to $290. That's insane. This by far is the biggest swing impacting my premium by lowering my car deductible from $1,000 to $100. Okay, once you get the multiple car insurance costs and you are able to make some adjustment step for it, optimize your car insurance to get the best rate. Now one thing that I really like about progressive, and I know a lot of other car insurance company do this, is you can bundle other insurance policies with car insurance. So with progressive, I bundled my renter insurance and auto insurance into one, and we get a slight bundle discount. So, to recap all this, I know I unpacked a lot of stuff for you, but in order to know exactly what car insurance you need, is remember the three types of car insurance type: liability, collision, comprehensive. Your liability, you are going to max out of 250, 500, and 100. Your comprehensive and collision raise your deductible to $1,000 each. You are going to get multiple cards for the multiple companies and make the switch. You are going to optimize pay the 6 months premium as obsessed to the monthly premium and see how you can bundle other existing insurance policies. If you like my video, please like, drop me a comment. Signing off. Bye bye.